Portland now has an early warning weather monitoring system that should help residents to be better prepared to respond to natural disasters. The early warning system includes equipment as well as software that models a river, which can indicate when flooding will take place. Flooding is a regular feature of many communities in Portland. Heavy rainfall usually causes rivers to be in spate.
Or you can point to where you live then, find where you live. Yeah.
The whole idea is that if there is rainfall, let's say in the upper watershed of the Back Rio Grande, we should be able to have enough time for people to evacuate should they need to, in the event that the flood stage becomes really high in the lower parts of the watershed. So this involves several steps, right? As you can imagine, we need to actually be able to monitor the rainfall happening up there, which is why the equipment is so important, and that's why we're having this handover, because we have installed equipment.
Training of community respondents is an important component of the new system. The respondents were told to be on special lookout for the vulnerable.
The alarm and the notification, the community members, as we say, should know the vulnerable persons who live in the community and have in place what I call a buddy system. There must be persons, and you need to know the persons who are wheelchair bound. You need to know the persons who are aged, physically challenged, and they will need assistance to evacuate. You as community persons need to know that. Not only knowing, but you need to build a relationship with these persons, especially the elderly.